Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm San Antonio's own Audrey Gasolina. Now, this morning, really sad story. A woman is killed after a car runs up onto a curb and right into her home. Ronnie Accor is breaking down the latest and tells us who police are searching for this morning. Also, the state warning about whooping cough. It's on the rise across Texas and even right here in San Antonio. Earl Sotomayor is breaking down those numbers. And of course, we have the latest from the government shutdown, as well as when the next time we could see some rain in our area. Be sure to join us 5 to 7 a.m. and then stream with us 7 to 9 a.m. right here on KENS 5. Download our free apps on your phone or your TV. We'll see you then.